Imagine you are playing an intense video game. Enemies are surrounding you and your health is starting to get low. Your very survival depends on how well you can perform in this moment. Suddenly, your mouse slips off the end of the mouse pad, causing your untimely demise. Has this happened to you? The good news is you can solve this problem pretty easily just by getting a larger mouse pad. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at one of the largest mouse pads available on the market. This is the Corsair MM300 Extended Edition. Come with me and let's take a closer look. So first impressions for me of this mouse pad, it's big, alright, it's really big. It comes rolled up in this cardboard box and it rolls out to a massive 930mm length, 300mm high, and it's not too thick at 3mm. This mouse pad is so long that I had trouble fitting it on the desk that I normally use for my reviews. If you have a small desk like my studio desk here, you might want to check the measurements just to make sure your desk is going to be compatible with the size of this mouse pad. If this extended version is too big, Corsair do sell some smaller versions of this mouse pad that could be better suited to a smaller space. The Corsair MM300 comes with a huge amount of mouse real estate, and it's not just for your mouse. This is designed to fit your keyboard here as well, and there's even more space here to put something else like this Razer Tartarus V2. The mouse pad has a very aggressive styling. Part of the styling of the mouse pad is all these random markings. It almost looks like the mouse pad has sustained damage, but it's just part of the look. You've got the Corsair logo sails here on the right hand corner, and there is a bigger scaled up version of these sails in black here also on the right hand side. Whether you like this type of style or not really comes down to your personal preference. It is definitely targeted at video gamers. I'm not sure how well this mouse pad would suit a home office environment. It's definitely more styled for gaming. Because of the way the markings on this mouse pad are so random, if you spill something or make a mess, it's really easy to clean it up, and afterwards you can hardly notice the difference. The surface of this mouse pad is slick and smooth. Even though it is a cloth mouse pad, it doesn't feel particularly cloth-like. The surface feels quite solid. This is probably because of how thin the mouse pad is sitting on your desk surface. Very occasionally, I did find that the mouse pad would bunch up just a little bit if I did a large sweeping motion. You know, I do really like the stitching that's around the edge of this mouse pad. Not only does this look good, it's also practical. It will stop this mouse pad from fraying, and it'll definitely stop the top of the mouse pad from peeling off, and I have seen that on some other mouse pads. I think this stitching adds quite a bit of durability. One other thing I noticed is because this mouse pad is so long, sometimes I feel like it's got a bit of a curve to it. This could be just how I've set up my desk, and it didn't really bother me much. I just thought it's worth mentioning. Overall, I quite like this mouse pad, and I think I'll be using this for quite a while. I'm the Before You Buy guy, and that's my review of the MM300. I appreciate your time in watching this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.